Welcome to our first video in the series covering Ninja Forms for WordPress. In this first video, we're just going to go through the installation process to set up Ninja Forms so we can begin creating our forms. In order to do that, we're going to hover over Plugins and click on Add New. And because Ninja Forms, the core plugin, is free, we can actually install it directly through the WordPress repository. So if we just type in Ninja Forms, we're going to see it pop up here, the Ninja Forms, the easy and powerful forms builder, and you can see if it says by the WP Ninjas, you know you're using the right plugin. So just click on Install Now, and once that's finished installing, click on Activate. Once we do that, on the left-hand side, we're going to see a new Ninja Forms icon. We can check out the dashboard. And this is our basic interface. So this simple contact form is back from when I was doing the Choosing a Forms plugin. It saved it in the database for me, so I reinstalled the plugin and there it is. But on your screen, if you're installing this for the first time, you'll just see this first basic Contact Me form, which they give us as a template. But now Ninja Forms is installed and we're ready to begin creating forms. So check out the next video in this series to cover the basics of form creation.